This is the theatre where I did all of my musicals. It's absolute madness, the nostalgia that I feel. I remember exactly where I was. There was this big metal gate and I was just here. My name is Lauren Drew. I am a musical theatre performer and today we are in Nghastell-nedd Port Talbot College where it all began. Oh, and look, crazy enough, Beyonce, they knew I was coming. When I started to get a little bit older, the conversation started to arise about, okay, what about drama schools? And I was like, whoa, 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 you can actually do this as a job? I think from that moment, that's when I was like, this is more than just a hobby that I love. This is actually something I could do as a job for my livelihood. Once I started to realise I was getting audience reactions and getting laughs, I was sold. Standout moment for me in my career so far, I think playing Fantine in Les Miserables was pretty incredible. I actually did the show at Nghastell-nedd Port Talbot College where we are today, and then it was a real full circle moment for me. Growing up in Nghastell-nedd Port Talbot was incredible. There's something about the people here, and it's in the foundations of who we are. I think because it's so working class, you are working with such driven, loving, wholesome, incredible people. There's just so much heart and there's so much passion here. This town has been through the mill, but you will not find harder working, more passionate, more driven, kinder, more loving people anywhere else.